Welcome back to my YouTube channel ASjVision. This is Alan John.
Now I will explain how can you generate a custom QR code with the logo. Go to Google Chrome or any other browser and type QR code monkey and wait. Click on the first link and then go to QR code monkey website. Then make sure that desktop option is enabled. Create a QR code for my YouTube channel. So for that purpose I have to copy the URL of my YouTube channel from the YouTube website or the YouTube application in my mobile. Again go to QR code monkey website, then select the YouTube option from the top portion and then paste the details of my channel, especially the URL. Then the next step is to select the colors for the QR code. Here I am selecting the color gradient option. That means color gradient means two colors. One I had selected one as red and the other one as maroon. The next step is to select the selection of gradient type. Here I am selecting the radial gradient option among the linear gradient and radial gradient options. Then the next option is to select the eye color of that QR code. If you need, you can add a custom eye color. Here I am choosing eye color as red and the color around the eye as black. The next step is to choose the background color. Here I am selecting a light reddish color as the background color. The next step is to add logo image. Here you can add a logo which is already given in the website, or you can add a custom logo which you have to select from your computer or from your mobile. In this case I have uploaded a logo which I am using for my YouTube channel. The last step is the customized design. In this customized design we can add the body color and shape of the eye as well as the iframe. After completing all these steps we can directly create our QR code by clicking on the green color button. Okay, our QR code is created. We can see that a QR code with a customized logo and having the color gradient as red and maroon and the iframe as red and the eye is black as per our selection. Here there is a provision for selecting the pixel type and to save the output as PDF formats and some other formats also. By using this website we can also create URL for our email, our phone number, for sending an SMS, for creating a vCard, then to create our location, and for Twitter, then for Wi-Fi, then for the details of an event, and finally for the purpose of Bitcoin addresses. After completing the creation of a QR code, we have to check whether it is working or not with the help of a scanner in your mobile phone. For that purpose I am going to check my QR code. Now I am trying to check the QR code made for my YouTube channel. First I take scanner in my mobile and see that an option called QR code document and taking the picture from gallery. Here I am using the picture from gallery option and select the QR code. Then we can identify that the selected QR code is readable. Then click go to website option. Then the home page of my YouTube page is directly opened. You can see it. The next one is the custom QR code made for my Facebook page. If we follow the same procedure for the previous one, we can directly get the FB page by using this QR code. I think all of you understood this video. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for getting notifications, and share this information to others. Okay, thank you once again. Thanks for watching this video.